Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your privacy policy, terms of service, and refund policy to your theme. So we just downloaded our theme. As I showed in a previous video, we added our pages, which would be right here under pages, privacy policy, return policy, and terms of service. So now we are going to go to navigation here on the left and go to footer menu. And here we're going to add menu items. So if we go to add menu item, and we'll start with return policy, you just go to your pages, go to return policy, hit add, and we're just going to add all of our policies. So privacy policy, we'll go to our pages, we'll go to privacy policy, we'll add, and then last but not least, we'll go to our terms of service, go to pages, and go to terms of service. Hit add, hit save. And now when we go back to our storefront, you'll actually see down here it'll have return policy, privacy policy, and terms of service. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one.